my name is Alia Mesara.
My name is Afika.
Hi, my name is Yana.
I'm Yasmin.
And we are Innovators.
We are from SMK Dato Said, which is located in Alur Gajah, Melaka.
Yasmin,
Yeah?
do you have any pets? Because I got my period today.
Oh, sorry, I didn't have any pets. Oh, that's okay. We should try and ask the others or the teachers.
Oh, okay.
So for our project, we are going to invent a pet dispenser. You might be wondering, what is a pet dispenser? A pet dispenser will release a sanitary pad when the button is pressed. Let's see how it is convenient for us and what it looks like.
We decided to create this pet dispenser because, as a girl, I myself have had the problem of not bringing sanitary pads during menstruation at school. It makes me uncomfortable throughout the day and could also disrupt my learning process in class. In order to take care of personal hygiene, every girl should change and clean their pads regularly. The pad dispenser will provide sanitary pads to menstruating girls anytime and anywhere, and for free.
Our solution consists of a dispenser that releases a sanitary pad when the button is pressed. The current model operates with electricity, meaning that the sanitary pad dispenser does not require batteries and will function despite power cut. Our product will be made by waste products, which are plastic bottles, used binding cover, and ice cream stick. For the tool, we use a hot glue gun to combine all the parts of this product. These are the things we use that from Mr. DIY. The reason why we use this product are because it was easy to find, save money, and also save the environment.
These are the measurements of our product.
We named the SN provider, where SN stands for sanitary napkins. The model on the left is how it looks like on the outside, and on the right is how it looks like on the inside. Also, we put binding cover on both sides of this dispenser, so we can see the amount of pads left and add them if necessary. As you can see, on the side of this dispenser, there is a trash can which is made from used plastic bottles, so you can throw the sanitary pad plastic after use.
Next, let's look at the inside of this dispenser as well. The push button is assembled with used bottle caps and is attached to a rod and a cardboard. This is to push a pad down the dispenser. There will also be a slanted cardboard inside for the pads to slide down the dispenser easily.
The total cost to make this product is 36 ringgit 90 cents.